Hello, my name is Lenora Hall. I am doing my three directors off of Raquel Morrison, Robert Richardson, and Bradford Young. The first one we're doing is Bradford Young. I like his. It goes in and out of dark, but it's really nice. You get to see it. It's slow, so you can catch the essence of each photo that passes through. But what I don't like, I don't think you can move correctly through this easily. Because when I first did it, I went up here to artists, and it took me to a whole bunch of different people that were not Bradford Young because he doesn't have his own website. He goes under Lux. So then, but you could go to, once you know, you go down here to film and you click on it and then you see his film and it tells you all the different things he did. He does commercials and then, which his is the only one out of all three that shows that he does commercials and music videos, which I did think that was nice. So this one was kind of easy. Like I said, once you know not to touch these buttons over here. So when you come over here to Robert Richardson, his is different when you first come to the page as it has like sections going across here. You know, you have like three different rows and stuff like that, which is nice. He has a different variety. He shows his feature films. He shows commercials, and then of course the bios on his commercials is set up the same way as his front page. So like we learned on lynda.com, you kind of want to keep it the same and simple. That's exactly what he did. Raquel Morrison, his goes through and it has different layers of different things. So it's not like all the same pictures. Like when you go back to Bradford Young, it's similar to the same pictures flashing through. Like you could tell it's like from the same movie or the same film. This one it goes in and out. So if you don't know that, like me, don't know all the films that Raquel Morrison does, I don't know if they're all the same, but they look totally different and it captures my eyes. One thing I do know, everybody's pretty much the same. You have your features, your bio, you have your press release. He has something different, which is his press release. Then I went over here to my mobile, and it's still compiling, but it does flow through on the mobile devices. And I did it on Raquel Morris. I did it on all of them, but this is what they look like, and this is exactly what it looks like on my cell phone when I look for it to it. So the aesthetics are pretty much good. You know, it's just what pictures you want to put on there. They're all similar. There's not one that really stands out except Robert Richardson. His is the one that has the three like this. But if you look at Bradford Young, and if I go back, it's the same as Raquel Morrison, pretty much if I go back on this one. So it flashes through. It's going right through all the photos that they first did. So that's what I see. And the mobility is pretty much the same, simple. I think Lux was the one that was more difficult. It wasn't mobile ready. It wasn't conductive to me. Well, on my phone. I can't remember what it was actually is. But that's what mine was. And this is Lenore with doing my three um, cinematographers. Thank you.